I do want to remind y'all not to drink and drive, but I'm sitting at a red light though.
Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please. And thank you. Like, what are you waiting on? Anyways, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today y'all saw me, you know, get up, basically start my morning. Y'all did not see that I took me a whole ass nap. Sure did a whole ass 2-hour nap. Because baby, after I ate my breakfast and I just sat around for a minute, y'all, you know how y'all eat the little itis or whatnot? That shit was good. I was like, oof. Yes, and I wake up early every day, so yeah. Anyways, y'all, we're about to head to the shop today. We're not about to go work, but we're about to move some things around because the shop is about to go under a little cleaning and maintenance and shit like that. So we gotta move some stuff around. So we're about to head to the shop, and then honestly, I really don't know exactly what I'm about to do for the rest of the day. I really don't know. I ain't gonna lie to you, I really don't know. Not me stopping in Kroger because I need some wine in order to start working. Like, for real. Thank you. Period. Y'all, so why I find out once I got to the shop, because Kaylin and Tam was there, that I ain't even had to be there to pack nothing up until tomorrow. Because tomorrow we have to be there at 10, like a mandatory meeting, y'all. Like, it's some shit popping off at Linnell Haven, which it's like, it's not that bad unless you're like in the crossfire. But anyways, I went up there thinking I had to go ahead and pack my shit up because, like I told y'all, we could be doing some renovations and shit, and we doing some deep clean, all that type of stuff. So it includes the tables, our section audit. So anyway, I ain't have to be there to do that today. So now I'm like, okay, what do I do now? So there's a couple of things that I want to do, but I feel like I'm gonna change my mind in the process of me driving. So I'm really not gonna tell y'all what we're about to do. But what I do want to say is that, y'all, my dad called me, and, you know, I sound really hyper and, like, happy right now. But, y'all, like, I've literally been going through it for, like, the last few days. And I really don't want to, like, I don't want to really talk about it, just to be honest with you. I really don't. But I've really been going through it, and I feel really sad. I sound chipper right now. It's just because, you know, I'm trying to be, you know what I'm saying, happier. I'm trying to be happy even though I don't feel it, you know. So I just, you know, I'm going through a lot right now mentally, and I'm battling it within myself, and a lot of people don't know this. And, you know, I think a lot of people go through things like this, but they don't talk about it, and I personally don't talk about it enough. And I don't talk about it at all, honestly. And honestly, you know, a lot of people do. But, like, I really do, like, off this camera, like, sometimes, like, I have my moments. And I've been doing good, you know, trying to basically analyze and realize where the hurt is coming from. Even though I'm not talking about with nobody, I know it's just, you know, life, man. Life get you down. And you know, it's easy to tell someone, it's easy to tell someone, you know, don't be depressed, but you can't really say that, you know what I'm saying? Don't be unhappy. You can't tell someone how to feel, you know what I'm saying? And that's another thing. I really think I need to go to therapy. In all honesty, I really think I need that. But it's gonna come. I'm gonna find me a therapist. It's just, you know, right now, I don't know. I'm just taking it a day at a time, y'all. And I'm trying to work through a lot of my emotions. And, you know, I do want to remind y'all not to drink and drive, but I'm sitting at a red light, though. So, y'all, we at the mall. I just had to return a break. Oh, I have to take a bracelet to get it fixed real quick. We're going to see if we can find me a jacket in winter real quick. Because I saw a girl with a jacket. This is cute. It's black. I already got a black jacket, though. But I saw her with like a jacket. I'm gonna see if it's in here. If it is, it's right here. How much is it? It's only $60. Is this? I'm trying to decide. I don't think this. It ain't my size though. Okay. That's cute.
This is on your Macy's card?
No, ma'am.
Or your bronze number? Will you put your phone number in?
No, ma'am.
You want to put your phone number in?
No, ma'am. It's me always being able to find a reason to be in Kroger. Let me give me some more wine while I'm in here. Chardonnay for me, please. Buttercup, period. I just bought some wine. I know y'all saw that. But here's the thing. It's almost gone. And what I'm going to drink while I eat? You know what I'm saying? Hold on. But I'm finna look. I came up here for my cabbage. And I need Caesar dressing. But I'm also finna see if they have a pot roast. Hold on. Let me check pot roast. Pot roast. I ain't seen no pot roast nowhere. This is annoying.
Welcome valued customer. Place your item in the bagging area.
Alright, you guys. So, I am back home. And we're about to start cooking. So, I decided tonight I was going to make smothered chicken and gravy with cabbage. So, that's what we're about to eat for tonight. Because, yeah. So, I used the savory cabbage. And I'm going to use turkey sausage. Turkey smoked sausage. And we're going to use these chicken thighs. And I'm about to season them up and all that good stuff. So, y'all about to cook with me, okay? Okay? All right.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining on my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan. To ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, of my word, though I followed through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling the odds against me. Couldn't tell me that I wouldn't get it, I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum, soon as I find a cadence. Leave it all on the record, if it's my only reference. Shocked how the bars been electric, you could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We going separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I.
Nikki B, I ain't got your face on here.
Yeah.
But I got the bottom of your face on here.
This is lit.
I was gonna ask, how is it?
This on lit. I love cameras.
You're a good detection.
Lit.
No, Ben. The last
Period.
software check before the European certification. They did that. I've only seen the inside.
Period.
Software.
Bye.
Period.
After this, you're all set for lunch.
Alright, you guys. So we are done eating. That was my friend Nikki B who was up over here. Basically we just hanged out. We had like a little vibe session, drinks, meat, and watched the movie. I think it was called Take Off or something like that off Netflix. It just came on there. But we just watched that show and it was straight. It was straight. But anyways, she just left. So I'm finna basically clean up and hop in the shower and end my night. I hope you guys had a great day today. I had a good Sunday, to be honest with you. Like I really, really did. Like just, you know, getting up, straightening up, just vibing out throughout the day, making breakfast, relaxing, going to the shop, you know, with my wine, drinking my wine, you know, packaging up my stuff, you know, just doing stuff, you know, because I ain't had shit to do today. Like I said, just like a cool day, you know, I put my wig on, period. So that within itself was a vibe. As far as like me hanging out, like everything has just been cool. Y'all, everybody's on a period. Like for some odd reason, everybody is on their period. Like my friends, like my cousins, like everybody who I've texted so far has been on their period or either out of town or booed up. So yeah. When I'm booed up, bet not nobody say nothing to me. That's all I'm saying. Bet not one person say nothing to me when I become like booed up, booked, and busy. Like, cause when I become so far up my nigga ass, I don't want to hear nobody saying nothing to me. But anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. All right, bye.